Good morning. This is Mr. Grandy, and I hope you are ready for week 3 of virtual learning at Rose Hill Magnolia. I'm excited for another week. If you notice, I have on my Wakanda Forever, my dashiki, my Black Panther necklace today. Most of you know that from last week to this week, we lost a dynamic actor, uh, dynamic speaker, great humanitarian, Mr. Chadwick Boseman, who lost his battle with cancer after 4 years. So I am paying homage to him and his legacy by wearing my Wakanda Forever necklace and some of my African wear this week. But what I want to say to you is prepare for a wonderful week of virtual learning in ELA and social studies. I want you to know we'll be doing discussion boards this week, and we're going to be focusing on analyzing text. We've been talking about citing evidence from text, summarizing, making sure we see the difference between what is implied and what is explicitly stated in the text. So we're just going to broaden that this week and make sure we continue to do those things. We're also going to make sure we are annotating. We're going to make sure that we're utilizing Cornell notes. Anything that you are taking notes on, it should be in the 2-column setting where you have a paper, a sheet of notebook paper. Come over about 2 inches over, draw a line all the way down. In that small section, again, is your questions, your cues. For instance, if we're talking about analyzing text, I may write as a question, how do we analyze text on the left side? On the right side, in the larger space, I'm going to write all my notes about analyzing text, which will be in the ready book or the ready paper that you do in your packet or online, is Unit 1, Lesson 4, analyzing text. That's what we're going to be dealing with this week. So you would take all your notes on the right side. Then at the bottom, you would summarize your notes in 3 sentences or less. So I'm not asking you to do a lot of work, but I'm asking you to set up your paper and your notes in the right format for we can be successful the entire year. I'm going to expect you, as I have the first 2 weeks, to continue to stay active in reading current events, whether it is through the newspaper, magazines. We're going to also stay abreast of current events through watching the news, our local news broadcast, and what's going on beyond the local, all around the world. You know that we just experienced a hurricane, and we are fortunate that on our side, we did not have to experience any devastation like we did a few years ago with the 2 hurricanes that impacted Duplin County severely. So we're going to keep tracking things of that nature. I'm excited about this school year. I hope you are excited about this school year. Remember, this week, packet distribution. You can pick up your new packet on Tuesday, September the 1st. You may also choose to do your work online via Canvas. Go to Canvas through NC Ed Cloud, click on Canvas, and once you click on Canvas, you should see assignments or module for each one of your classes. ELA, social studies, math, science, and even your resource teachers may have a Canvas page up for you as well. So check those pages. When you go to my specific page, the first thing you're going to do is click on the announcements. I'm going to list any announcements I have for you. Then once we go over announcements, you're going to go to the assignment page and the module page. When you go to assignments and modules, assignment page lets you see all the assignments that I've opened up for the week. Module page sets it up as a module and tells you in what order the teacher wants you to do each module. So we want to make sure you get acclimated to going to the assignment page as well as the module page. As always, if you need to get in contact with me, you can do that 2 ways. You can do that by going to and emailing me at agrandy@duplinsschools.net, or you are also more than welcome to get in contact with me, and all you have to do is contact me through Google Phone. If you desire to contact me by Google, My Google number is 910 447 2426. Again, to get in contact, you can call me, you can text me through Google Classroom. It's 910 447 2426. Or email me through Canvas or your personal emails that are connected to the school at agrandy@duplintschool.net. That's a lot. Last thing I want to tell you before I sign off today. Habit number 3. Habit number 2 for Covey is begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. What that means is you could look at everything you have to do this week, do this year, with all this going on. It can be overwhelming. But if we begin with the end in mind, we do that which is most important, we prioritize, we focus on how we're going to meet our goals, we will be successful. So this year in 7th grade, I don't care what you have to deal with, I don't care what is asked of you. I want you to be proactive. Number 1, be proactive. Then I want you to begin with the end in mind. The only way you can begin with the end in mind, another habit I'm going to give you is put first things first. Prioritize. Make a list of what is most important, what has to be turned in first, and get that done. Then once you get that done, check it off your list and go to the next assignment or go to the next task that you must do. There's a lot that we must do in 2020. 2020 has been an interesting year for adults as well as students. But guess what? We are overcomers and we got this. I'm excited. I can't wait till we all are reunited again. But until we are reunited again, continue to wash your hands. Continue to socially distance yourself from others. And always, as much as possible, wear your mask. Masks are important. So if we wash our hands, socially distance one from another, and wear our mask and follow all CDC requirements, we're going to be okay. I love you guys. I'm excited about what's to come, and be encouraged. Again, check your Canvas pages. Follow the directions in your packet. And if you need me, I'm only an email, a phone call, or a text message away. Until next time, bye bye.